Okay, we're out here with another interesting gun. I think it's a Taurus C45 and 45 Colt. It's a copy of a Colt Lightning pump action gun in 45 long Colt. And that is what I loaded these up testing out the powder measure. I found some prep brass and I just wanted to take this out and shoot it. We're going to see. Now, this gun was made close to the original. I mean, you know, internally and all that other fun stuff. And it does have Buckhorn sights. And so that's just a giant U with a little bitty notch and a long post. So again, this is where, once you know where the gun is shooting, it's all a bit of Kentucky windage. Now, I haven't shot this in a while, so we're going to see what we get here. Alright, shooting a little low and to the left, so now I'm going to see if I can compensate for it. I knew when I took this out to 100 yards it shot way to the left, and I knew I might have had to drift the sight a little, so we'll have to see. Alright, so that's our first run. Okay, fortunately I was able to find something to give the front sight a little tap here. Now I'll raise up my thing. Let's see if we made our sight adjustments. Well, not quite. A little bit better on the height, and that's just holding the front sight up in the thing. I'll try giving it another gentle nudge and see if I can move it over. Okay, third time should be a charm. Well, gotta check that one. See what happened there. Alright, loaded that one back up. Looked like a light strike. We will see Yep. Okay, let's see if we got it. Alright. Low, but on center. And a couple high flyers. Must be I have to concentrate a little more and see. Okay, with this one, we got our elevation figured out, but we're still shooting about 2 inches to the left. See if I can fine tune that some more. Now we got the front sight adjusted. I might have to go drift it just a hair back. And then elevation again is judgment with the Buckhorn sights. Might get a fresh target up here and see what we can run. Well guys, I'm going to say we got it. Okay, a little bit of sight drifting, a little bit of figuring out how to use that Buckhorn sight. And again, it's all how high up, and you gauge just by eye how tall the front sight blade goes. Those are old-fashioned sights. But you can see you get used to them. They work out pretty good. I'm going to throw this little clip in. I went and fired another 10 rounds after I got done more or less running the video. But I wanted to show you after the sighting, only 3 out of 15 were out of the, maybe 4 down there at the bottom. We're out of the diamond. So we got it sighted in, and at 50 yards it does pretty good. Alright guys, it's the first time I took this out in a while. I did take it out, tried it at 100 yards and realized the sights were off. And it's something I didn't fool with for a while. Taurus made these, well they're made in Brazil. Could be Taurus name. And at the time they made these, this blued model, I think it was like $700 retail in the ballpark there. And there is an Italian company that makes a copy of the Colt Lightning. Okay, and it retails for well over $1,000. But this is a pretty neat little gun. Okay, curved butt plate. I've scratched the wood up here, I see. But now that I got it sighted in and adjusted just right, it's a handy little gun, but I can't really say at 100 yards, even with the long barrel that it has on here, if it's very effective. I know at 50 yards, I wouldn't worry about it, but when you get out to 100, that's when it kind of starts to, you can see the weakness of using a pistol caliber. Alright, so that's my conclusion. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned.